Hello everyone, my name is Manoj and I joined QSpiders on March 2023. My friend referred me this institute to upgrade my skills. So from QSpiders I learned SQL, web technologies and Java. Web technology was taught by Mr. Tamil Chelvan sir. He completely explained that things in the structure of HTML and the CSS and JavaScript things, which helped me to improve my skills in web development. And also I would like to thank Nagaraj sir who taught me SQL queries, and I would like to thank Nandi sir and Karnika ma'am, that old Nandi sir who is not working in our institute right now. He and Karnika ma'am helped me to learn Java basics and how to write programs easily. So, and finally I would like to thank our HR department, Miss Robini, and she is very supportive and she always helped me to attend the interviews, and